Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 1999 Hyundai Excel 3-door hatch, stock reference number 4746. This shape runs from the second month 1997 through to the 9th month 2000. It has a G4 FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand corner lamp, left guard has one small dent, bonnet has two small dents, left manual door mirror, left front 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left door has 5 small dents, left rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre, with a left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, bit of paint peeling on the top edge of it. Tailgate has 2 small dents, right hand tail light has a small crack, suit track car. Right rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right door has 3 small dents, right guard has only 1 small dent, right manual door mirror and a right front 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window regulator, black interior cloth, pretty tidy for its age, black centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual shifter, slide type heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.